Good morning, everyone. This is my blog. Like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, 19th of August. Time check. 4:11 na, everyone. And the weather for today is about 15 degrees. So, ayan na, papadilim na ang di ba? Langit. Dahil how many days na lang at Berber na. So, my update for today, this morning, is maglakad tayo. Let's walk for 10 minutes. Yeah, or 8 minutes, something like that. And then, one bus going to work, everyone. And after work, mamalengke or something. Mag-iisip na naman ng ulam. Kaya, ayun lang, everyone. Kasi andyan na si nanay at si kuya. Ang leftover, walang leftover na ulam. So, yun lang, everyone. See you when I see you, everyone. Bye at the moment. Good morning, everyone. Kain tayo sa papalamig na panahon, everyone. So, I'm waiting for my kabres. Yeah. Dito, time check is 5:23.
Hindi pwede pumasok.
Take pass, everyone. Going home. We're going home. Diversion. Good morning. Time check. It's already 10:07, everyone. So, pauwi na ako. And dumaan lang sa bilihan ng prutas at nagpabili si nanay ng papaya. Ang papaya niya. So, ayun. May naisip na akong menu. May nabili kasi akong talong sa kahapon. So, tapos meron pa akong tuna with kalamansi. And then may itlog pa rin ako. So, alam nyo na kung anong ibig sabihin nun, di ba? Talong, tuna, and itlog. Okay ba? See you later, everyone. Bye at the moment. Kain tayo everyone. Lunch. May talong, may salmon bala, and... Alin ay? Wala. Anong po problema? Ah. Good afternoon, everyone. 3:13, everyone. Aba, may paharang na naman dun. Oh. Road closed. Pag uwi ko naman kami, wala namang ganun. Ayan, everyone. Pasok tayo. Okay. Walang jacket. Nasa bag. Going to train, everyone. See you after 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. May parog close na naman dito. Ba't kaya? My train is here.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Finchley Road. This
Customer announcement, this train will terminate at the next station, which is Baker Street. Any customer heading towards Aldgate can arrive here or change at the next station of platform 3 or
Now is the Shirley train.
Mind the gap between the
Ito,
train and the
inang
platform.
tapit.
is Finchley Road. This is a Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate. The next station is Baker Street.
Terminate, way out, and I'm done. So it's time. Uy, early. Early ako ng 8 minutes. Ayan, see everyone later. Hotel Cardinal, the Gin Bolo Sky Bar. So, nearly at my workplace. Masama ang panahon, everyone. Madilim, kulimlim, and busy ang mga tao. Walang laman ang bar. Because today is Tuesday, and look, who's that guy? Go! Did you? Good evening everyone. Kain tayo. Dinner. Time check is alas 8. Ang aga namin natapos. Kaya, yan. Kasi wala nga pa dinner sa kantin. Hanggang sa first week of September yun. So, ayun lang everyone. Good night. God bless. And I love you all. Hindi na ako nag-video sa train dahil naglalaro ako ng cellphone. So, ayun everyone. See you tomorrow again. Good night. I love you all.